Okay, ouch. Ow. Come on, baby. Get on there. There you want to. Figure, take this thing apart. Maximize my buck for sure. I mean, it's big, it's heavy, it's got some good aluminum on it. I make my most money if I take it apart. And it shouldn't be, I say, too daggum hard. And I'm gonna sell that Honda engine. I'm gonna sell that Honda engine for sure. What did I just do? Let's see here. Not too big. There we go. Get this shroud off of here. Get it out of the way. Yeah, this looks like a little fun little project. I mean, I don't know if you saw me getting this thing loaded the other day or not, but I loaded it with a little skid steer. I know it's got a lot of nice bolts on it. I'm trying to get that for the cast aluminum. Get the motor just to sell as a Honda motor. I have a guy that said he would buy Honda motors if I got them. Well, there's one right here for sale. Come on, baby, get off of there. For sale. Let's see what it takes to get this thing apart. Bear with me, got a bunch of screws to do. Bear with me. Sawzall. Kidding me. You are kidding me. One way to fix it. That is a good sized motor right there too, with electric start. Very well could turn into a profitable motor. Oh, come on, get out of there. Make some money on this one. Oh, okay. I got it. I got it. Got that off. I'm still gonna break that down, see if I can clean it up some. Got a little bit of cast on the ground. And this beautiful, beautiful Honda motor. Look at there. Yes, sir. Run, run, run. There you go. Honda motor for sale. Thing still has a couple more nuggets on it. Come on. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There it is. Another nugget. That thing seems to be pretty good. It gets a grip. Look at there. Another little nugget. And another one. Another one. Another nugget. I think I got that thing pretty tore down, guys. Pretty tore down. It's all heavy steel though. Not necessarily prepared, but I would put that in my heavy steel pile without a problem. So heavy steel. And that's where that will go, because that thing is a beast. Beast. And I do have a heavy steel pile that I started, and I took somebody's suggestion and said, hey, why don't you start your heavy steel pile out there at the front where you ain't got to pick it up and carry it so far. I thought, you know what, that's probably a pretty daggum good idea. Uh-oh, little golden nugget there. Another nugget. Yep, pretty good idea. So I did. Thank you, whoever that was. Appreciate your little comments. I always listen to comments. If I get a good one, I'm gonna listen. Yes, sir. All right, so I say, rolling, rolling. Yeah, that's something I would not have any problem putting in my, calling that a piece of heavy steel. Rotors are prepared steel. I don't know if this would be necessarily prepared steel, but it's got to be at least #1 steel, unprepared. So I'm gonna throw it with my new pile of rotors over here. This thing is an absolute beast, but I'd love to get it out of my middle of my yard. Yeah. Beautiful, beautiful. Take this in the shop and get that little nugget off of there, but whew, we got tons to do. Look at all these boxes I got to go through. Sold these, I'm sure. I'm gonna sell them. A lot of wire in that box needs to go through. Whew. That needs to be taken apart. I already got all the brass off of that. Got a bunch of air conditioners to go through. 3 generators need tearing down. Lawnmower is going to one of my YouTube friends here locally. Yeah. Papa. Goodness everywhere, guys. Goodness everywhere. So if you want to know what my day is like, you see it. These are my days. Scrapping with Grandpa. A little at a time. 7/16. There we go. 9/16. My ½ inch is missing. I'm missing a half. Ouch! Gosh! Missing a couple wrenches in there, dadgummit. That. All right. Hate it when my box won't close. There you go. Get it right and it will. I'm getting ready to bring my tractor over to my tractor guy, so I'm pretty much done out here in the yard. I just wanted that to get that big thing tore down. Moved a few things around in my shop. A few things. Got myself a little spot for this and a little spot for that right now. Trying to get organized, guys. What a mess. It's hard to organize. It is hard to organize when you got so much. Too much going on. Got marketplace, got barrels, honey holes, tearing stuff down in my yard. If you don't have anything else to do, scrapping can definitely be full time. Full time, I'm telling you. You got nothing better to do, why not? Full time scrapping. Especially when the weather's like this. I mean, this is perfect weather for scrapping. It's not too cold, it's not too hot. I could actually take this jacket off. Actually, I will take this jacket. Got a couple things loaded up. Tractor, I'm headed over to my tractor mechanic. Hopefully